Welcome to Vera's Kitchen. So today I'm going to introduce you Quindim. So Quindim is a Northeastern Brazilian recipe that corresponds to the Portuguese recipe that is known as brisa-do-Lis. So brisa-do-Lis is cooked with almond, and the quindim is cooked with coconut. So let's start. So in a bowl I put 2 tablespoons of water, 1 spoon of butter, 4 yolks, and then I use the white part of the egg, only of 2 eggs. Then 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of grated coconut. And then in the end I added some lemon zest. Then I mix everything really well. You can mix it for 30 seconds, 1 minute. What matters here is that everything is well mixed, okay? So this is the way that the dough has to look like. One thing is, like, if you don't like it that sweet, you can put less sugar, but the recipe is exactly like this, okay? Then I grease individual molds with the liquid butter or margarine, and then I sprinkle some sugar on the individual molds, okay? Then I put the mixture and bake it in a water bath for 40 minutes or so. And then you unmold and serve it warm or cold. I hope you like this recipe. Please tell me if you managed to do it.